Hi, I received a recommendation from Google Ads that AI Max would increase my conversions. Is it worth implementing this recommendation? The campaign is on the search network. Okay, so it's like almost everyone has got this Google Ads AI Max recommendation, and there are few things which I like to share over here, and then I will show you the Google page as well. So the good thing is that. Some people have reported increasing in conversions after using AI Max, but it requires time, also known as learning period, to implement it. But it's good, and the cons are you have less control over your ads, keywords, and performance. So this is going to be the cons for this, but the good thing is that some has reported good conversions, but still it's a developing product, it's a new product. So I think that I will give some time, and I will see on some of my clients before saying any wording on this. And for those who don't know what's Google AI Max, let me show you as well, so you guys have an idea on how what is AI Max. So basically you can optimize your Google ads with AI Max for search campaigns, and AI Max is a comprehensive suite of targeting and creative features. Two main features: search term matching and asset optimization. Leverage Google AI to optimize your ads in real time and tailor your creative message to reach your customers and drive more value. But I, in my opinion, think that you need a manual review as well to see what's working well for you. And if you let it do all autopilot, you will not get any benefit. But if you manually review what they are saying and suggesting and looking around your campaign, definitely you can take the most out of your this Google Ads AI Max feature. So I hope you like this. And for those who wants Google Ads detailed audit, setup or management services for the Google Ads, Google shopping campaigns, or for any other digital marketing services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.